Hello guys, the next topic we are going to look over is list. So you guys are familiar with list. If you take any kind of programming like Java is array and list, you may have of linked list, reverse linked list, everything. So everything finally comes under array. So array is nothing but that collection of strings. Same exactly when it comes to Redis. So it stores the collection of strings elements sorted according to the order of insertion. So we can do multiple operations like pushing the operation, popping the operation, like adding, removing, trimming. So trim operation is really going to be helpful when you are going for any kind of leaderboard operations. I will tell you how to do it. And then we can find and remove the items by value and positions. Position nothing but index that we will say in programming languages. You can also make the blocking calls for asynchronous message transfers, which is nothing but public subscriber patterns. I will explain you this publisher subscribers, it is nothing but message brokers. If you heard about message broker like Kafka, the Redis is also supporting amazing features now in their actual platform. You can use this publisher subscriber patterns for many kind of operation. I will give you the detailed views later about. So let's see short description now. So here if you see that on right hand side, so list key, first you have to give the key. Next is the type list, which stores the multiple items. Simple. Let's come to list commands. What are the commands we are going to use for pushing that elements inside the list and popping the elements in the list and getting the elements and then finding the length of element, how to iterate those elements, how to trim those elements, how to set, how to update it, how to insert in the respective index, how to insert before that element, after those elements, how to remove those elements. So everything we are going to see. So let's go to practical session. So when it comes here, sorry, actually this is not a terminal. Um, yes, this is the one. So let's go for list. So list means array. You can push the element from right side and also from left side. I will explain you how we can do it. Okay. So first let's do from traditional way of right push, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likewise we will go right. So right pushing the elements. So you can take key like games. Yeah, games are so much cool. So like PUBG, um, COC, Clash, um, Battlefield. Okay, so these are the push. Now you want to know the length of this respective element, which is nothing but L length of PUBG. So if you see the length element is, sorry, PUBG, it's a game. It's a four elements. How I can see those elements? Just type range, and then you have to type the key, which is nothing but games, and then you have to give the indexes from starting to 0 to finally -1. Why I'm giving minus? Because I don't know the length. If I know the length, I can just give 4. Simple. It's listing all the elements in the list. But if you see, everything is pushed from right side. PUBG first, COC second, Clash third, Battlefield on final. But I want to push the elements on left side, like before PUBG. So how I can do? Just simply instead of R push, you have to do L push. So you have to give the key like what again? Games. So any other famous games? If you see Township, yes, Township is one of the favorite games of mine. So yeah. So how to see whether that particular township name, I mean township element has been added in left side of that list. So just iterate it again. It's a length. Sorry, I added two times. So length. So look, two times I added. That's why. So now you can see two township which has been added from left side. I need to take out on L pop of that element. Okay. So if you see pop games, it will give downshift because it will take top of this particular list. So next we are going to see is uh, L rev range. Sorry, it doesn't actually exist in this one. It exists in sorted. So next is we need to insert in specific index of that one. How to do that one? So you can see index means. So I don't know whether my screen is clear. Okay. So here if you see, yes. Sorry for my. Okay. L rev L range games 0 to -1. Okay. So if you see here, there are 5 elements in that list. So index always starts from 0. It ends with length -1. So I want uh, to insert one game after the index 2. It means after the COC. So how I can do it? So simply you have to do L set. Okay. Key you have to give games. Index is 2. So actually index is 3 because 2 means it will push as you were saying to the 3. So if you give 2, you will get to know the result. So what came? Okay, royal. Yeah. Now if you see, you can insert in specific index. Sorry, actually it will remove that element and then it will put. So how to set it means you can insert. I want to insert one specific element after name royal. So for that you have to give L insert keys games. So after uh, pivot after element of, so pivot is clash, right? So clash element is back. So you can say or series games. Yes. Now it's inserted. Let's see where it get inserted. Yes, it inserted in index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. Okay, now here if you see 6, it means the length of the element. You can see L length of games is 6. Okay, now I want to remove. So L rem to you can remove how many elements you want to remove from there. So if you want to remove 10 elements, okay, 10 elements of same name, or you can see one element of PUBG. So you can directly remove from there. Now if you go and check PUBG, if you see L length 5, if you see L range, there is no PUBG. So I want to check whether the PUBG exists or not. So actually there is no commands for that one. So you have to just search it by range or something. Okay. If you get lgate or something, lscan, no, these two commands not supporting. I'm just showing you that whether it is there or not, but actually not there. You have to reverse and or you can iterate. I want only first 3 elements. So that particular time how I can show means uh, key L3 games. I want first 3, which is the top games played by and people, so everyone, anyone you can see. So that particular time 1, 0, 2. So right now if you L range games 0 to 2, these are the top 3 games. Simple. So I got the respective keys to filter out. Okay. So these are the list. So next we will go for sets. Thanks for watching.